In this video, I want to quickly show you some ways you can resize your text editor. When you're working with a post, it can sometimes be a bit cramped working with just this little text editor area. The first thing you should notice is right down below here, and in fact we should probably zoom in a bit, you can see there's three little lines there at the corner, and when I mouse over them, my cursor changes. Those are basically drag lines. So let's pull on them and see what happens. If I pull it, it's going to extend this downwards. In fact, I can bring it down as far as I want, and it's going to remember that, by the way, and keep that for future screens. So I've got lots of space to work with if I have a particularly long post or page. I do also have the option, if you've got a wide screen, of course, I'm going to extend my browser over to the side like this, and it's going to keep moving. So you have flexibility that way as well. And then there's a button here. It looks like a little TV screen, and when you mouse over it, it says toggle full screen mode. What does that mean? Well, if we go like this, suddenly everything else disappears. We just have our button bar up top here and our text. So that allows you to work sort of without any distractions, just your manipulation of text here, but nothing else. And we want to go back and add categories or publish or do anything like that, we just toggle back to our regular screen. So that can be a handy way of just quickly working with the text and not having to worry about it. Notice here that my style sheet has kept it the width that it will be on the screen. So that's very handy, so you know exactly what your width is going to be. If you don't have a theme that has your style sheet displaying in the text editor, this will actually extend all the way across. But in this particular case, we do have a style sheet for the text editor. There you go. So those are some ways to give you a bit of extra room when you're trying to work with the text editor and a particularly long post or page.